Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you all how I make these mini sweet potato pies. So I'm starting off with these mini pie shells that I got from the frozen section at the store. And before you get to this, you can actually start baking your sweet potatoes in the oven, wrap them up in foil and bake them until they get soft. And here's why. After you get this part done, you're going to put the potatoes into a mixing bowl like so after you've peeled off the skin. And then you're going to get some butter and get that butter and melt it and then pour it over your potatoes, and then you can start the mixing process. Next, I like to spice it up with nutmeg and cinnamon. You can spice it up however you like to your preference. And then I also added some sugar. Now, I learned this recipe from my grandmother and she didn't measure anything. So, honestly, you sweeten it and spice it up to your liking. Then I used condensed milk. Skirt. I forgot to tell you guys that I also added eggs into this, but I forgot to take a picture of that. Sorry. Evaporated milk, and that brought the mixture together and made it smooth. And now we're filling up those mini pie shells. When we get to this part, you don't want to fill it all the way up to the brim, but you do want to fill it up, as you can see, like this, because it's gonna rise a little bit when it bakes. And so there you have it, folks. You bake it for at about 350 until they are set, and now here you have it, the final product. Thanks for watching.